an author?
I'm not going to speak on one book
Oh.
because I believe in the essence of books rather than the names of main characters and stuff. I will be going on.
Start.
Okay, so good morning everyone or good afternoon actually. What's the time?
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'm Priya Sharma from FE15 Cybersecurity, and today I'll be speaking on many books because I could not decide which book is my favorite or which I should recommend because my choice in books is kind of weird, and that's the reason why my mother has told me not to buy too many of them because I either go in too much psychology or it's just weird some guys from Penguin Classics. So today first I'll be speaking on the book called Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. He's a renowned author of the 19th century, as many classical people. Does anyone read classics? No? So this book starts from a person named as Gregor Samsa. He does not have a good relationship with his father, and his mother is also kind of oppressed by his father, and his only support system from his family is his sister, which he relies on. And this person's father and mother are both doctors, so he is kind of oppressed by the fact that he has to do great, and after his family retires, he is the one who should take the whole फैमिली को अपने कंधों पे लेना है. एंड इसको नहीं बनना था डॉक्टर या इसको वैसा कुछ नहीं करना था. ही वांटेड टू बिकम एन ऑथर, जो उसके पापा ने इसको करने नहीं दिया. सो he has a good job, he is supporting his family, but the fact that he does not want to do it is his struggles in the whole book. And then one day it starts, he wakes up as a vermin. Vermin is like a keeda, and that is also a big sized one. Okay, so the book actually says that no matter, the essence of the book is no matter which form he changes to, his responsibilities would not change, and he has to fulfill his family's needs no matter what he feels or what he wants to do on his own. And I feel the youth of this generation would relate to it a lot, because even in engineering, from what I know, many people did not want to do it but ऐसे peer pressure में अपने पापा की मम्मी के या फिर भाई बहन ने किया है तो मुझे भी करना पड़ेगा, वैसे मैं ले लिया है. So in the end this book, मतलब ये book में full struggles है बंदे के कि his boss also wants him to work while he's a कीड़ा, legit. And so in the end he passes away. His sister does not care about him anymore because he was just a vermin and he could not support his family. And it's just a sad book, if you read it. I will not go in much details because there are some topics which cannot be covered by speaking here. So yeah. Second book I would want to speak about is No Longer Human by Osamu Dazai. And actually this book caught my attention because this was the last book of his author, and he unalived himself and his wife 1 week after this book was published. So this book is a semi-autobiographical of this author, and it's kind of fictional as well. The author is portraying himself as Byozo, and this book is settled in a Japanese 80s kind of the wartime ka settlement. So this man Yozo, he is from a renowned family, and he wants to go and work, but his father is not letting him that. And then फिर इसके पापा इसको एक अच्छा हाई स्कूल में भर्ती कर देते हैं, but उसको उधर भी नहीं जमता है. And then he leaves high school, fooling his father, and then he roams all over Japan doing whatever he likes. He gets in bad influence, he has bad friends, and every bad thing you could think of, he does that. And the thing is कि इसको बुरा भी नहीं लगता है. He is just बोलते हैं justifying himself कि whatever he is doing, it's right, and it's because उसके father is telling him to do the opposite of it, he is going to do that. So this book goes on. Actually this man Yozo, there are reasons why he is acting like that, because his father, as a renowned businessman, he was not present in his childhood, and his mother was long gone after his birth. So he was kept with his housemates, which actually do not treat him well, and it's stuff to him which wasn't good and like not my like legally to not do that. So in the end, his whole journey is just suffering, and this guy is enjoying his sufferings. And yeah, so in the end of this book, he gets married with a woman, a Japanese woman from a bar, and they actually plan to die together. Like if anyone has seen Bungo Stray Dogs, it's an anime based on this author. So they commit double suicide, but the woman dies and he does not, and he is rescued from the lake, and then he is sent back to his father. So the one whom he tried to escape, he finally has to encounter him again. So this book, the whole sense was that firstly dying is meaningless. Like no one should give up on their life for no matter what reason, and they should find the better in everything. No matter how worse it is, something can be better, and then with the help of others, rather than roaming around and loitering and stuff. And also finally the situations we try to run away from, we one day finally have to go back at them no matter what. And जितना हम जल्दी एक situation को approach करते हैं, उतना ज़्यादा आसान होगा उस situation, rather than जितना हम उसका लंबा खींचते हैं, उससे फिर नहीं होगा, like उससे और situation worse हो जाएगा. The third book is about, it's named Before the Coffee Gets Cold, and it's a kind of cozy book which I would like to recommend, which it emphasizes on the value of life, I guess. So this book it's about a coffee shop in the far ends of Tokyo, and it's hidden from the other coffee shops, and it's beneath, like underground there. And there is a rumor about the coffee shop कि there is one seat in the coffee shop जिधर बैठ के a person can go in the past for a few minutes and they can come back again. So one day, there are many customers who actually have experienced this. It's a fiction, of course, but they have shown कि so this starts with a lady who has a failed marriage, and she goes to the coffee shop just asli hua to, and that actually is the truth. But the situation is कि जो एक ही सीट रहती है कॉफी शॉप में जहाँ से टाइम ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं बीच में, उधर एक घोस्ट रहता है ऑफ अ वुमन. एंड लेटर द रूल्स आर सेट कि कॉफी परोसी जाएगी एंड वो उसको शेक करेंगे, स्टर करेंगे, एंड वो ठंडे होने से पहले यू हैव टू गो इन द पास्ट एंड एक्सपीरियंस वॉट एवर यू वॉन्टेड टू डू अगेन एंड कम बैक. एंड द सेकेंड रूल ऑफ इट वॉज कि तुम सीट से हिल नहीं सकते हो. वंस यू हैव सैट देयर यू विल बी सिटिंग देयर. अगर सीट से हिले तो यू वॉन्ट बिकम एबल टू कम इन द प्रेजेंट, एंड देन यू विल बिकम अ घोस्ट. उधर वो जो घोस्ट रहेगा उस सीट पे, that ghost will go away, and ये सीट पे अभी तुम बन जाओगे जब तक some other person does not violate the rule, and फिर तब eternity तुम वहाँ पे ही हो. The third rule was कि कॉफी ठंडी होने तक अगर उसने पिया नहीं कॉफी तो वो वहाँ पे रहेगा, कॉफी वहाँ पे रहेगी हमेशा के लिए, एंड घोस्ट भी वहाँ पे वापस से घोस्ट बन जाओगे. सो दीज रूल्स की वजह से पीपल थॉट कि ये लोग बैठाना ही नहीं चाहते कि पास्ट में जाना है, कि ऐसे ही रूल्स बना दिए. बट दिस वुमेन वॉज टू डेस्परेट, एंड अगर तुम सीट से हिल नहीं सकते हो, सो दैट मीन्स कि द पर्सन विच यू वॉन्टेड टू मीट वुड हैव कम टू द कॉफी शॉप. सो दे हैड कम टू द कॉफी शॉप वंस फॉर देयर फर्स्ट डेट. सो दिस वुमेन गोज एंड शी इज चलो मैं करूँगी, एंड देन शी पेशेंटली वेट्स फॉर द घोस्ट टू द घोस्ट. एक दिन में शी वुड गो आउट ऑफ द कॉफी शॉप, एंड तभी वो 10 मिनट ही रहते थे कि सीट पे बैठ के ये सब करना है. So she waits for whole 1 or 2 days, and she finally goes and sits on the seat, and she finally goes अपना previous night में to meet her husband, ex-husband, now ex-husband. And फिर वो आई, वो मतलब उस टाइम के, फिर अभी जो टाइम ट्रेवल के रूल्स के हिसाब से यू कैन नॉट चेंज द पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर, नहीं तो फ्यूचर ही अलग हो जाता. अगर उसका तभी रिलेशनशिप हो जाता, मैं तो अभी वो यहाँ पे आती ही नहीं कॉफी शॉप में. सो दैट्स वाज द रूल. मतलब एक रूल वो भी था कि तुम पास्ट को चेंज नहीं कर सकते पीछे जाके. So वो आके बैठी and then she sees her husband come and उसने like उस time पे जब गई लेडी उसकी जगह she got exchanged to the present self who went there and she was just sitting there and वो normal conversation चला and but then she realized कि उसका actually ये लोग का divorce हुआ था because he was moving to America and she did not want to go there. So इसको वो लगा कि ये आएगा ही नहीं वापस कभी, so उसके वजह से ये लोग ने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. But then there she realizes in the end उसके like when the coffee is about to get cold she realizes कि वो वापस से आएगा. He said that but she missed it back in the past like तभी because of her mind cloud. So she realizes कि वो वापस आएगा. So that's how she just ends the conversation. She drinks the coffee and she comes back. And ऐसे दूसरे भी situations थे. It's actually a 4-book का series. I think the 5th book is coming as well. And उसमें हर book में is like some person sits there for a particular reason. And जो coffee shop owner है ना, उसका भी एक story है which is mentioned in the 4th book. Which is कि वो coffee shop में someone actually wanted to like the first ghost of the coffee shop was the owner of the coffee shop who actually wanted to travel in the past to meet her dead child, but she did not come back because she got emotional and then she's eternally stuck in the coffee shop and it's the next generations have inherited the art of pouring coffee which will make you go in the past. So in the end like इसमें सब वो ही था कि someone wanted to go in the past because they did not have much time या फिर you know लोग बोलते हैं
correct the past
या कि not correct the past like re-experience things again like हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कभी regret हो गया कि ऐसे होता तो क्या होता या फिर even if the memory is bad like some people just want to experience it one last time to finally let go of something. So that was the thing कि past is past only, it won't change no matter how many times you go back and come forth. So you just have to focus on the present and the future. Thank you.